here I've lined up the hood. I've got the hood here. This is the shoulder seam. This is the centre back. Now I've decided that because I'm doing top stitching on everything else, twin needle, I'm just going to run a row of stitching around the neckline as well. Depending on your fabric whether this will be appropriate or not, but I want to make sure that the seam is pushed down towards the body. So this is the hood, this is the body, the seam is pushed and I'm sewing on the actual body. I started at the shoulder and I'm sewing with it might have even been easier to do it the other way around with the garment inside out, I'm not sure. It might be why I'm pulling it around a bit hard out, yeah. Yeah, when I do the next row of stitching I might turn it out. Just make sure when you're doing it on your garment that you're not stretching the garment or making it too stable so that it won't stretch over your head. Because I used a cotton fabric on the inside that isn't stretch, it's kind of made it quite stable and it's a bit difficult to get on with my glasses. It fits me, but the glasses become the issue. So I've got to make sure in here that I don't accidentally catch the other side. So what I've decided to do is turn it out the other way. I'll turn it out the right way. Or should I say inside out? Change the foot back again. And starting right beside the other seam that I was doing. Feed it in from the front. Depending on your feet, make the feet, use the right feet for this. If you've got a compensating foot for your machine, please use it. It's way better, way easier than what I'm doing. Just this machine, I don't have the compensating foot. So spread that out to make sure that it's not bunching up. Nearly there. Again on this one I'm lining that edge up with my existing row of stitching, so that will give me a twin needle effect even though I haven't got the twin needle machine again. Done. All that it remains now is to thread the cord. I'll trim up some more threads later. Through there, through the... I didn't put the cord in earlier in the hoodie because I just thought it would get in the way when I'm sewing. So it's complete.